How to buy GOODBOY, the GOODBOY token. So before we start, this is not a financial advice. I am not a professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. So as you can see, this is their X account. They have a big community, and make sure to take a look in it. Now, to be able to buy this token, just go and open it in CoinMarketCap. So after you open this token in CoinMarketCap, you have two options to buy this token. So either you go to this decentralized exchange platform like Radium, or by buying with your wallet. Now, because this token is under Solana network, it's easy to buy it with Phantom wallet. Just copy the token address, open your Phantom wallet as you can see from here, and now click on swap. As you can see, make sure you have enough Solana in your wallet. Now click here and paste the token address as you can see to be able to find the right one. Now click on it. From here, enter how much you want to buy, and this is how much you will receive. Now from the provider, just click check one of these, for example Jupiter. Now make sure to read all of this information and click on swap. They will redirect you to Jupiter provider to complete the buy process. If you face any issue in the buy process, just go back and change in this between this either you select 0.3 or 1% or custom. So after that you will complete the buy process with no problem. So this is how to buy the GOODBOY token. If you find this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.